Okay, so I'm attempting to clean my Rotimatic thoroughly. Actually, I've not cleaned it in over a year and it's in quite a mess. So I cleaned, the individual parts that can be removed. Now I'm actually cleaning the machine itself, and one of the steps to cleaning the machine is the inside here, this tray, door below the door tray, it's really dirty. And not only is it dirty, it's also gooey. There's a lot of oil. Like if you look at this, I cleaned all of this, but there's still a lot of beneath this tray. um, there's a lot of gooey oil that's stuck, and so I'm going to use the cleaning mode of the machine to raise this vertical tray, and so I can access this area below this tray to clean it. And I'm going to be using distilled white vinegar with baking soda to clean this, because otherwise it's not going to come out. Actually, I already used baking soda and white vinegar here, and that was the only way I could remove all of this, but otherwise it's in quite a mess. So first things first, what I do is close this door. I power on the Rotimatic. I don't know what's that sound, that clicking sound that's coming. Hopefully everything's okay with the machine. So once it starts up, I go to the menu, and then I scroll down to clean Rotimatic, and select clean Rotimatic, and I choose general cleaning. The advanced cleaning uses some kind of solution to flow through the pipes and all of that. That's not what I want to do right now. I just want to clean below this tray, so I click OK. And now there are options for different things that I want to clean. One is the sweeper. So the sweeper, actually I already tried to clean, and I think it's okay for now. Right now I want to clean this VT. Below the VT stands for vertical tray, so that's what I want to clean. And there's also a kicker, which I don't want to clean right now. Right now I just want to clean this below this area. So I select VT for vertical tray, and what happens is this tray rises up to give you access to the space. You can see from the window the tray has gone up, and so basically when I open this now, you can see how dirty and gooey all this is. Already cleaned all this stuff up, but this is a huge mess. And this VT, when I select VT, it raises this VT stands for vertical tray. It raises this so I can access this area below the vertical tray. So I'm basically going to use baking soda and white vinegar. I think that's safe to use in this area over here. It's very gooey and dirty, so I'm going to use that, and essentially I'm going to use a toothbrush to kind of clean it. So first things first, what I do is I take some baking soda over here. This is just regular home baking soda that you get, and just using my fingers, I can take some pinches of baking soda and spread it around like this. Just spread it all over wherever I want to clean this part. It's kind of hard to access it, but also in these corners I put it pretty generously. It's kind of hard to reach the back, but I'm gonna try my best to. These corners in particular, I can just spread it using my fingers to the back. Also put it on these corners. Actually, that's what you get for not cleaning your machine for over a year. Actually, I've not used my machine for over a year. And what had happened is there was some oil. It wasn't really leaking, but the oil had spilled for some reason. I don't remember why. And that spilled oil, it actually combines with the flour and basically the atta, and it makes a gooey kind of thing like what we just saw. Okay, so now this white vinegar, because it's such a big bottle, I just poured it into this smaller container in here. You don't need a whole lot. I just poured enough for my initial cleaning, and I can pour more as needed. I'm gonna keep my toothbrush ready here, and then all I do is I just pour some of this. It'll form some kind of reaction, but that will allow you to clean it more easily. The gooey stuff will come out more easily. So if you notice, you'll see this bubbly reaction. It's baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and then I just take this brush and this gooey stuff comes out more easily. Than if you were to just try to use soap and water. So basically I just have to pour more of this white vinegar to actually clean this, and I'll complete this cleaning, and then I'll make another video to show the results of all the cleaning.